Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang.
Faith Nkentsi, the reality TV star, and her businessman husband Nzuzo Njilu have welcomed their first child. Congratulations are in order to the couple. Your Faith really knows how to keep a secret the whole 9 months, and we didn't know anything. Mogel is good at keeping a secret. Taking to her Insta stories, Faith posted a picture of herself holding her baby and wrote, "I'll forever protect our baby if it's the last thing I do." In another post on her timeline, she described her pregnancy as nothing but amazing. She captioned the pic, showing the baby bump. "These past 9 months have been nothing but amazing. I can't wait to share my journey with you guys. To my husband, I love you so much and you are such a blessing to my life. My little family is complete and I'm beyond grateful. To our beautiful baby, love is what you represent, and I will love you with everything I am. And I pray every day that I'm the best mommy to you." Faith also told her followers why it was important to keep her pregnancy private. She took it to her timeline and said it was important to us to keep our pregnancy private throughout the whole 9 months of it. Well, in my case, 6 months, because I had no idea during the first trimester. Lol. Anyways, I felt I was keeping our baby safe. By doing so, I would do it exact same way if I had a redo. Well, congratulations again to Faith Nkentsi and her husband. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.